Today I'm drawing and coloring a beautiful butterfly poppet using shiny glitter colors. So grab your colors and let's get started. Welcome to Glitty Art. First, I start by drawing the body of the butterfly. Then I draw two big wings on both sides. Next, I add the two antennae at the top and draw a few straight lines inside the wings to make sections. Now, I draw all the poppet circles inside the wings, just like the real poppet toy. Butterflies aren't just pretty, they're helpful too. They help plants grow by carrying pollen from one flower to another. And guess what? Butterflies can even taste with their feet. Now it's coloring time. I start by coloring the top two sections of the wings, including the poppet circles and the antennae, with glitter red. Then I move to the third section and color it glitter orange. Coloring is the best part. It feels like I'm painting happiness. For the fourth part, I use glitter yellow. Next, I color the fifth section with glitter green. Look at it sparkle! It's almost ready to fly! And finally, I use glitter purple for the bottom part of the wings. And it's done! Our butterfly looks super bright, shiny, and colorful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sparkly poppet drawings. Bye!